Welcome, my dear students. I am Sandeep Kumar Acharya, teaching computer science and applications. In this video, we are discussing about Google Drive. We have a small text here. We will first read it out, then we will go through some MCQ questions. Okay, so Google Drive is a free cloud based storage service. It stores the files in the cloud, which is nothing but the Google server, which is and like the hard disk of the computer. The user can store various types of files, including text, image, audio, video, etc., which can be accessed online. It can also be used for sending and receiving bulk data from a source to the destination. With reference to the above case, answer the following questions. So the first question is, which of the following statement is not true for Google Drive? Options are, it is a free cloud-based storage service. It is true. Option 2, the the files or folders are stored in Google servers. It is also true. It can be accessed offline as well as online. So, in this case, for number 3, it can be accessed offline. This is not a true statement. Okay, this is not a true statement. So, offline cannot be done. Online is okay, but offline is not done. Okay, so this statement is the answer for this question. And the final or last question is, it can be accessed from the remote area. Of course, it can be. So these are few questions and their answers. Number B, question number B. What is meant by the term destination in the given case? That means with respect to Google Drive and all, what is the destination? Option number 1, receiving end. Of course, it is receiving end. Option number 2, transmitting end. No, it is not. Option 3, routing device. And option 4, packing end. So, what is meant by the term destination in the given case? Destination means the receiving end here. Okay. Transmitting end means the sender's end. Routing means a device which is involved in routing the message. Generally, these are switches and routers. So, for this context, I should not go in details of the routing device. Packaging ends is the uh, ending or sender's side where a manual packet of packaging is done. That means the product is being wrapped with some paper or packets with their sender's name and receiver's name. That is called packaging, and it is done with the manual system in Indian Post or courier systems like DTDC and all. So here we have receiving end is the destination. Okay. Next question is for number C. Which of the following services is not provided by Google Drive? Option A is uploading file and folders. Of course, it is provided by the Google Drive. Number 2, distributing files and folders. Number 3, sending files and folders. Number 4, downloading files and folders. Downloading is also provided by the Google Drive. And there is 2 points, that is number 2 and number 3, distributing and sending. Listen, you cannot Actually, Google Drive is not used to send any files. It is the storage device where we are keeping our data like images, videos, and all, but we don't send it. Either you download it or upload it. That means in that space of Google Drive, you can upload your files and you can store it like hard disk, and you can download it from. Okay, all are done online, but you cannot send any file. Okay, so sending is not related here. You can distribute files using some link or sharing some link. You can distribute your documents which are saved in your Google Drive. Somebody who is receiving the link mm, are is or are able to download your document from the Google Drive. Okay, so distribution is possible. Sending file is not a correct option here. Like you cannot send your document like email and all. So the sending process is not there. Okay, so downloading and uploading, the user or the email ID holder or user ID, whoever is handling that user ID, can upload his or her data to the Google Drive. He or she herself or himself can download it, or he or she can share some link to her associates or friends and colleagues. Those can also be able to download all those data from the Google Drive. So sending is not the process, but distributing is the process, downloading is the process, and uploading the process. So number C is the correct. Number three is the correct answer for C. Okay, so this one is the correct answer here. It is okay. Okay. Then the last one is, which of the following are essentially needed to use Google Drive? Google Drive uh, is used with or accessed with the internet connection, Play Store, Google Map, or an email ID. Obviously, we should have an email ID. Without email ID, you cannot access access the Google Drive. So uh, essentially needed is our our um, email ID, okay, or email account, and internet connection is also necessary to handle the Google Drive. Okay, so these are the portions which are very important for our discussion with respect to Google Drive. So here 2 points are very important. That means number one and number four for uh, question number D. Thank you for watching my video. So keep watching my videos, keep focusing on your studies.